Hey guys, we are on our way to go flooring.
So we got our insulation picked out. This one's real thin. I don't know if you can see right here. So you don't really take a lot of headroom. And now we're picking over here the colors for the vinyl flooring. We picked vinyl because it's like flexible and it wouldn't break with all the vibration in the bus. And also, since we have 2 dogs, we need something that's waterproof. So, which one do you like, baby?
I like the light grays. We have a few options we like, but we're balancing price and lifestyle. These are the cheaper ones. We want to go for gray. So we like that one, and we like the darker gray on top.
That one, Harper Maple,
And
$198 a square foot, and
sea salt
hickory, $199 as well. We made our decision. We're gonna go for sea salt hickory, $198 per square feet, and we need 200 of these, 200 plus of these.
Can you move Uncle Pat's car? Because the mechanic's coming tomorrow morning.
I'll be up tomorrow. I'll move it when it gets here. You got stuff in the way.
Reduces the noise, moisture barrier, shock absorbing, thermal insulation, smoothens uneven subfloors, do-yourself friendly, and protects your investment. Exactly what we're looking for. So we're gonna post this, or we're gonna put it somewhere in the screen. We're gonna link this in the description if you want to use the same thing. Alright, we are done laying this insulation, and here comes the fun part.
So when you put this to there, you want the other one to be halfway. Halfway? Okay, so they'll lay out like this. I'll show you. One will be.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? That way, if it goes like this, it's gonna be ugly. It's just gonna be a plain look like plywood. If you go like that, and you're gonna break these seams, and it's gonna look like a house.
Okay.
You know
Yeah,
what?
that makes sense. Okay. So I'm gonna show you how I did the corner right there, so I can cut the corners on the floor. Grab painter's tape, and then you just tuck it right here on the corner, so the loud noise. You tuck it right here on the corner, and then you like mark it, then you cut it, and you grab a piece of cardboard, or where did I put it? Oh. And then you grab a piece of cardboard, and you basically like put it all together, and the cardboard is gonna be your guide. And then you test it out, see if it fits in that corner, perfect. And now you can put it here and try to measure it out, cut this. Perfect.
The glue down.
Looks like it.
Huh?
That's the fun part.
Yeah, we're actually putting in the flooring. You want to see the color?
Sure.
That is not supposed to happen. Are you kidding me? There we go. Let's change it real quickly.
So we're back.
Yeah, let's keep it going. I'm gonna use the clamps now. That went super wrong.
Wow, we're working nights again. 2 days in a row. Sun is going down. Gotta put mosquito spray on. But look at that! Woo! That looks beautiful. We didn't finish this side because we have to finish all the way right here. Before we finish, or it won't work. It just won't work. Don't ask questions. It just won't work.
Okay, so so we finished all the floor over there. Well, a little bit. And then over here, we came up with a problem. So this keeps going straight right here, but then there's a little triangle right here. It's like a little angle, and we had no idea how to cut the floor, but I think I've just figured it out. So what I did is, if your bus has any angles like that or anything, just make sure this right here is where it's supposed to be, like that, and then measure. So this is gonna be in right here, this much. So this is the measurements that I have right here. And then in order to do the triangle right here, I just measure it. Well, where does this one end in that case? So it would end like over here.
You can't
Now,
see deep in there.
it would end over here.
Got Got it? Got it?
Do you have it? Okay.
Oh, it's better.
So it would end over here where the line is. And I measured from the wall to right here to the it would end, and I marked the line right here. So now what I want to do is I'm going to mark a line from here to here, and it's going to be the shape, hopefully, of what we're trying to do. So let's try it out.
That's gonna fit.
Wow.
That fits perfect.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. We're going to be posting every Monday at 7 a.m. from now on. If you want to see part 2, just stick around, hit the bell and subscribe. See you next time.